Yo mga kabistag! Once again! Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Ayun, excited ako mga kabistag dahil dumating na yung condenser ko galing sa Pilipinas. Yan mga kabistag. Isa nga pala. Shoutout dyan kay Boss Rigor ATV. Dahil siya yung bumili ng condenser ko at pinadala pa niya dito galing sa Pilipinas. Kaya idol! Big thumbs up sa'yo. Ayan guys, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Kasi uuwi pa ako sa bahay. Ayan na guys, dumating na si Bruno Mars. Samahan ko sa bahay. Galing Pilipinas. Ayan, ito yung followers. Nagdala ng
Wow!
Followers, condenser ko. Ayan. Dahil paninda. Ayan o.
Oh my God!
So ayan pala guys, pag yung babalik galing sa Pilipinas dito sa Qatar, yung quarantine pala, galing sa airport, sunduin ka na ng hindi may susundo hotel. Yung sa hotel. Bay na ng hotel. So quarantine pala ng 6 days yung sa hotel. So kung sino yung manonood dyan na yun, 6 days tayo quarantine. Tapos pagdating dito sa galing sa hotel, dito sa bahay na naman, another quarantine na naman. Bali 14 days lahat daw. Alright, thank you. Kuha mo na yung pamasko ko. Ayun, Boss Rigor ATV. Ayan na ito na yun. Salamat. So, ayun mga kabistag, ito na, bit-bit ko na yung pinadala ni Idol Rick.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Maybe I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Yeah.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad.
Got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.
Wow!
Okay. Ano pala siya dito? Ito parang net. Flexible naman siya. Diba? Para siyang net pala. Ito yung siguro doon to sa ano, salpak mo niya sa ano. Ang sunod natin is itong microphone stand. So ayan guys, ito na yung microphone stand natin. Ang ganda ni ate oh. Open natin. Ayan. Una, meron tayong yung sabitan ng microphone. Dalawa. Clip ata to sa ano eh, sa baba. Close. Parang ano lang to ha. Parang kasing laki lang to ng ano, ng stand ko sa cellphone. Yan. Ito, saka itong stand ng cellphone ko. Parang ganito lang siya. Kasi salpak lang din eh. Paano ba ito? Ay, oo. Ayos. So, ibig sabihin, yun, pwede ko siya magamit. Ang mangyari pala nito is, ito siya. Siya. Ganun. Siya. Tapos anong bahala kung saan ko i-clip. Pero para maging ano siya. Para maging movable ko yan. Ito doon ko ilagay sa ano ng stand ko. Kasi parehas lang siya eh. Yes. So, ayun. Successful. Ang Defying ATV. Hindi dahil sa iyo. Wala ito sa akin ngayon. So, shout out dyan. Maraming salamat po. Boss Rigor ATV. So, ayun na mga kabistag, na set up na natin yung condenser. So, ganito po siya oh. Ayan. Siya. So, yung isang ano dito, yung gamit ko, kung gustong magkanta-kanta dito sa iPad. Actually, may wire naman dito, kabit dito sa likod. Tapos yung isang wire din, gamitin natin sa cellphone. Yun yung nagla-live. So, itong earphone natin, ito, nagamit. So, dito natin ikabit sa sound card sa likod. Actually, may manual naman dito kung saan natin yun. So, napakadali lang. Napakadali ikabit. Kaya, umpisahanan nyo na. Umpisahan. Yan po. Okay, salamat. Nakita nyo na kung paano pag-sit up.
So, ayun guys, nakita nyo na yung yung condenser ko. Andun lahat, kompleto Ricardos. Ayun. So, thank you Boss Rigor ha. Sa mga baguhan pa sa akin channel, please click subscribe and click also sa notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga video. Kaya, salamat! Bye-bye! God bless!